This is a great problem showing factoring by grouping. The way you know you're doing factoring by grouping is having 4 terms with no GCF in common. So we're going to practice factoring by grouping. Factoring by grouping looks like 4 terms that do not have a GCF in common. What is factoring by grouping? Factoring by grouping means that you will group terms with common factors before factoring. Here's problem number 1. The first step is to make sure you have 4 terms. Then you need to see if all 4 terms share a GCF. You see the first pair does and the second pair does. When you recognize the GCF in each pair, group the like terms together. After you group the terms, separate the GCF from each pair and put it on the outside of the parenthesis. Create a new factor out of the GCFs and keep one of the old ones. You'll see the matching factors here and here. This is your final answer. Checking your work, you can either use the box method or the FOIL method. The box method, we're going to put the binomial up here and the second binomial here. We're going to fill the boxes by multiplying this monomial times this monomial, this monomial times this monomial, this monomial times this monomial, and this monomial times this monomial. You'll see when we use this method that we came up with the original expression. That's good. That means we factored correctly. So here's an example of the FOIL method. That just means multiplying the first, outer, inner, last terms. There you go.